I will be teaching you some phrasing on Iroha.
Okay. So first one on my list here. What is family?
Ezinoro.
Ezinoro.
Yeah.
Okay. What is child?
Nwo.
Unwo. Children.
Rumu.
Rumo for children.
Yeah.
Okay. What do you call mother?
Nne.
Nne. Wow, Ikwerre is so different from Igbo. What do you call grandmother?
Neokane.
Neokane.
Yeah.
Is that the only thing?
Nene.
Nene.
Yeah.
Grandmother. Oh wow. What about friend?
Eyi.
Enyi. So different. Relationship.
Oi.
Oyi.
Yeah.
Wow.
Nemoi. Nzinoi.
Nemoi. That is
Yeah.
doing relationship. Okay. What about thank you? Like if you finish teaching me now, I want to tell you thank you. What will I say?
You can say white maker, or you can say white imenem.
Okay, white imenem, white maker. The thank you there is the maker and imenem.
Yeah, maker and imenem are the same thing. Me is do.
Okay.
Me is do.
Yes. Me do.
Yeah.
Then maker.
Then ka is great.
It's great. Wow.
Great. Me. That's how. That's the word. That's how the word came.
We have done it. We have won the battle. I mean, the battle against identity conflict, identity crisis in the Ikwerre region and also in other places. That the identity issues are quite on the high side. We have systematically ended the argument through facts, through figures, through historical and empirical evidence. We have done it. We have matched our word with actions. An ardent follower of this channel, of this page, will always remember that we started with nothing. We were dedicated, and still we are dedicated to the cause to dislodge the identity conflict, and we have won that battle. But there are still more to be done. More sensitization must be put in place. The Unify Igbos Now movement, the Unify Igbos Now project has proven to the world that the power of social media must be taken serious. We must use the power of social media into this world to reposition ourselves, our history, through facts and figures, through empirical evidence. We must tell ourselves, we must tell our story, we must tell our history. We must keep on pushing, intensify. We must intensify. So I thank you. I thank my esteemed followers. I thank people that are passionately following us from the time we started up to this moment. We have everything worked out. We have everything really in line. So, and we are not stopping. Thank you. I remain your own faithfully, Chukwuemeka Ojembandi Igbo Anyanwu Idueri. Thank you and God bless you. Thank you.